Here we go. Let's take a look at this one where we're graphing the linear equation, and we're going to use intercepts to do it. So this one's in what's called standard form. The x and y are on the same side of the equation. And so to use intercepts, we're going to say, well, let's just see what x equals if we ignore the y value. Technically, you're substituting a 0 for y so that you have 3x equals negative 12. And when you solve, you have x equals negative 4. So that tells you where your y or your x value is on this graph. And that's a nice little circle. Let's do a little better than that. So we can plot that point at x equals negative 4. Well, if we do the same but make x 0, then we have negative 4, y equals negative 12. So this time, essentially, we're just ignoring the x value. And so we would divide both sides by negative 4, and we see that y equals positive 3. So on the y-axis, we go up to positive 3 and put a point. And so that is where our line will run. Can extend that in both directions throughout the graph, the coordinate plane, and put arrows on both sides to show that it would extend in both directions forever, for infinity. So that's using the x and y intercepts to graph the equation. And let's see if we look at it here. 3x minus 4y equals negative 12. So using a graphing calculator, we can see, yeah, that looks nice. And you can notice here that there are coordinate points at 0, 3 and at negative 4, 0, which are the same points that we found here. X is negative 4, then that means that your coordinate point is negative 4, 0, because that's your x value when y is 0. Remember, said y would be 0. And here, when x is 0, then y is positive 3, which is this point here. All right, I hope that helps. See you next time.